3, 2, 1.
And welcome back to another episode of This Guy's Thoughts. Like always, appreciate you swinging by and watching another video. Tonight's episode is going to feature one out of a Champion Brewing Company. Right there. Champion Brewing out of Charlottesville, Virginia. This here is their Wheeze the Juice. It's an IPA. And it is coming in at 54 IBU and 6.4% alcohol by volume. It says right there on the back of the can, or on the side of the can. The artwork here, it's got that, I guess, late 80s, 1980s, early 90s vibe to it going on there. You got like the Slurpee here with the straw. So definitely gives you that, you know, possibly juicy, Slurpee vibe, I guess. It says on the back, Wheeze the Juice is a juicy IPA double dry hop for max flavor with Mandarina Bavaria and Dorado and Cascade hops. So it's got 3 different types of hops in there. This year I don't know much about it at all. I did pay $1.79 for the can here, and this is it's about 4 months old right now at the time of the review. This here, I strictly got it because the name Wheeze the Juice. I thought the artwork was pretty cool on it. Says American India Pale Ale on the back of it. I don't know anything about this at all. Strictly, I thought it was cool artwork. Thought it was a cool name. Never heard of Champion Brewing Company, so I figured I'd go ahead and give them a go and see what they were all about. So we'll go ahead and crack this open. Rating the artwork on this, I'm going to give it about a 4.5 out of 5. I actually like everything that they did on here. I like the fact that they list the IBU and the ABV on there. So like I said, we'll crack this open. Give it a pour here, and see what it is all about here. So we're producing about 1.5 fingers of head up on top of this. Set that can there. Smells delicious. So let's look at the color on this. Just a dark orange color. About 1.5 fingers of head, down to 1 finger of white head up on top of this. A lot of fisheye bubbles popping in the top of that. It looks well carbonated. As far as aroma, getting a lot of mango, kind of a tropical vibe. Tropical, citrusy vibe, both coming off of this. Mango, a little bit of papaya maybe. Maybe a bit of a tangerine. And maybe a slight pininess coming off of this. You see that head's already pretty much wore off. So we'll go ahead and get a drink on this and see what it's all about. Nice pininess to it. I'm going to say this is a thinner side, medium-bodied mouthfeel on this one. There's more of a piney taste to this than a mango or a citrus or a tropical type of flavor coming off of this. I do pick up some mango. That might be some papaya that I'm picking up. I'm not really sure what. Let's see if I can pick it up. Maybe a bit of a tangerine, like a rind, like a tangerine rind. Flavor I'm getting off of this one here. It's a little piney for my taste. At least not for my taste. It's a little bit more piney than than what I was expecting. I was expecting a much more juicy, sweeter IPA than what I'm actually getting here. Very dry finish on this one. I mean, it's a very dry finish on this one here. Don't know if I'm disappointed in it more than I was just hoping for a bit of a juicier IPA here. But just going to score this one here, it gives us about a 3.75 out of 5. The name and the artwork, to me, is much more cool than it is good tasting. I was expecting a bit more from this, but I'm going to give it a 3.75 out of 5. You had this before. Let me know what you think about them. If you've had anything from Champion Brewing Company, I never heard of these guys, so let me know what you think about them. Anyhow, like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. Be sure to check out my other videos. That's my thoughts.